Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to export from Blender correctly and also how to upload to Instagram correctly. Okay, so I've got this little animation just here, and what I'm going to be showing you guys is how do I get this from the scene in Blender exported, rendered. Okay, so the first thing to do is come over to your output panel, which is just over here. Come down to output. Now, once this is open, there's a couple things to do, a couple things to consider. Okay, so the first thing you want to consider is whether you want a image format or a video format. So obviously, if you only want one image rendered out, you're going to pick a image format. And for a video format, you would want to pick FNPEG video. This is for an MP4. Come down to encoding. Container, you'd want to pick MP4. And I would leave that as it is. And from there, you're pretty much ready to go. All you need to do is just push Control F12, and your animation will start rendering out. Another way you can go is also you can go with an image sequence. So that is every single frame of the animation rendered out. And the reason you have this is you have a bit more control with your final look and also less compression overall. So say I went with a PNG because I like the way it looks. I like the control it gives me right here. So how much compression and also the color depth. Also with this, I have the ability to pick whether it's black and white, RGB, and also RGBA. See, the A is for alpha, which is transparency. So say you have a transparent object or background in your scene, you have that ability here. And it will look a lot better when you then upload it to a video editing software like Premiere Pro or something like that, to add in a background or add that thing in eventually. So, say you have your export completed and it's ready to upload. Now, I see a lot of you guys upload just from your phones, and that is okay with very simple animations. But say your animation is very complex, and what you will see is that there's a lot of compression, and it almost renders it unwatchable. So a good way to overcome this is to upload it via Creator Studio by Facebook. And through this, and also with this, you can just upload it straight from your computer straight onto Instagram. Right. So from here, all you're going to do is just create a post like you normally would. Write a caption, add your content just here, thumbnail, add a location, and then publish. Now what this is going to do is spend a lot more time encoding your final render, and it's going to look a lot better. It's going to take a lot longer, but it'll be worth it in the end. Now, if there's anything you'd like to add to this, just write in the comments below, or if there's any other methods that you think that would be helpful, just comment that below as well. If you'd like to also just check out my Instagram, I'll leave a description down below as well. Thanks for watching.